Sorry about that. She was ringing me there, catching up with what I'm at. I don't know will be much in this, but let's be a motor in that anyway. But from what I'm seeing here at the minute with the screws, I haven't got the long bit for the drill to get down with my cordless. If I had the cordless set up, yeah, it'd be worth me while, but at the minute doing it this way, it's not worth it. So all the screws now are out now. So, couple here, but I can't get near them. Be very careful messing with this, guys. This would tear the hands of you for fun. This is so dangerous. Pull this apart. So I'll probably take a couple of screws off here somewhere. If I can get down into them. No. Usual. Get this one. Gee, all the screws. In the day, guys, you could take 1,000 screws apart off electrical. If you're at it for the day, there's so many screws. Some of the hospital equipment stuff I'm doing is just all screws. Screws, 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 and more screws. Now, I have to say, I have some very good gold recovery stuff in. Here we go, we're parting it. Oh yeah, it's a nice little motor in this. Let's see, just cable here for a second. Okay, we've opened that in. Be awful careful with your face. You'll take the face, anything could pop up out of this. Could do a lot of damage here. There we go. Shouldn't be doing it that way, but I'm not going to go too mad into this. Take this board out. Bit of wire, bit of low grade board, nice thick wire actually, and more wire in here. Is it worth taking apart? Yeah, I let these build up. I would take them apart altogether, because if I get the long bit for this drill, you'll cut apart in seconds. So this motor, nice big motor in it, yeah, it's worth your while taking apart. For me anyway it is. Small time scrapper like me, yeah, it's worth my while. For the big guys like E-Way Spin and stuff, E-Way Spin, sorry, you know, people like that, it's not worth their while. Maybe it is, it all depends on the person. Yeah, a nice little motor there will get you closer. Bit of copper wire in it, few ounces, maybe a couple ounces, 3 ounces maybe. Really, what else? I don't want to touch this without gloves now. Is a motor. That's heavy enough to be £1.5. To about say about a kilo. That's basically it. The rest is steel, all steel. Yeah, I was curious to see what was in it. Never opened one up before. Now I have. Am I impressed? No, but still a nice motor in it. I get a lot of these more industrial kind of ones. 10 times bigger than this, which I will be taking apart anymore because the motor must be very big in them. So yeah, that's it guys. Quick one on the paper shredder. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Take it easy. Bye.